Exploring Jonathan Swift, the Satirical Genius. Hello language learners! Today, we're delving into the world of Restoration and 18th century literature. Among the key figures of this era, there's one whose wit and satire have left a lasting mark: Jonathan Swift. Join us as we explore his life and some of his most celebrated works. Jonathan Swift was born in 1667 in Dublin, Ireland. Despite facing personal adversities in his early life, he became one of the foremost prose satirists in the English language. Swift's writing style is known for its wit, sarcasm, and irony, used to criticize and lampoon society, politics, and human nature. Perhaps Swift's most famous work is Gulliver's Travels. This novel narrates the voyages of Lemuel Gulliver, as he encounters various strange lands and peoples. While on the surface, it might seem like a fantastical adventure story, in reality, Swift uses it as a medium to satirize the follies of human behavior and the shortcomings of contemporary society. Another significant work by Swift is A Modest Proposal. Here, Swift mockingly suggests a solution to the problem of poverty in Ireland: that the poor sell their children as food to the rich. It's a powerful and shocking satire that criticizes the British government's policies and indifferent attitude towards the Irish people. Through this extreme proposition, Swift highlights the inhumanity of treating people as mere economic entities. Swift's influence extends beyond his time. His works have inspired numerous authors, and his brand of satire is still relevant today. Many modern satirists, whether they realize it or not, owe a debt to Swift's pioneering approach. He not only entertained but also made his readers reflect on societal issues, making them think critically about the world around them. Jonathan Swift, with his sharp wit and biting satire, remains a pillar of English literature. His ability to weave social and political commentary into engaging narratives has made his works timeless. We hope this exploration of Swift has piqued your interest and encouraged you to delve deeper into his writings. Until next time, happy reading and learning!